Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need a lean set of prerequisites and immediate actions. Start by building one small project that shows HTML, CSS, and JavaScript working together. This proves you can ship. Once done, choose a stack, React or Vue with a Node or serverless backend, so your learning concentrates. Make sure Git and GitHub are configured. Push commits with clear messages. Deploy that first project to Netlify or Vercel so you have a live URL to show employers. You now shift into the detailed execution phase. Build 2 to 3 portfolio projects that solve realistic problems. To-do app alone is not enough. Add auth, persistence, or an API. Once done, add README, basic tests, and continuous integration to demonstrate professional habits. Make short case study notes explaining choices, trade-offs, and outcomes. Then, contribute to an open source issue or small PR. This gives you proof of collaboration and a reference to discuss in interviews. You finish by applying and refining your pitch. Apply to about 20 targeted roles, customizing one resume line and one cover sentence per application so you match job language precisely. Practice timed coding problems for 30 to 45 minutes and rehearse 15-minute explanations of your projects. If you hit a wall, ask for feedback from peers or recruiters, iterate your portfolio based on that input, and double your outreach. More applications plus better materials increases interview odds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.